Has your heating or air conditioning suddenly stopped working? Have you noticed that some room areas are much colder or hotter than others? Living with these problems can be a miserable situation as you try to cope. But why do that? Ignoring these problems could also end up costing you a lot of money in increased energy bills as well as additional unexpected repairs later on. You need the help of a certified heating and cooling specialist that can quickly determine what's causing the problem and correct it right now. Call us today to get your home or office comfortable and system efficiency back fast.